Hey everybody, welcome. Omar here, and today we are learning the safety vault. The safety vault is one of the most fundamental, universal moves in all of parkour. Do not skip this move. You must learn this move. It is so useful. What it is it is a one-handed, one-footed vault, which is great because this means that the other hand is free if you're talking on the phone, if you've got a water bottle, a backpack, a grocery bag, it doesn't matter. And what's great, it's when done slowly, super casual move for everyday application on benches, fences, railings, small walls, whatever. But also when you do it fast, it starts to look really cool. Let's start learning the safety vault. All right, level 1 of the safety vault, very basic. You're literally going to stand or walk, and I am gonna use my right foot to step over because I am right-footed, which means that my left foot is on the ground. So I'm putting my left hand and my right foot on the block, then I'm gonna do a little jump, and I'm gonna prop myself off the ground. From here, just gonna move my leg through this gap that I've created, and I'm gonna step down on the other side. So now if I wanna go back, same thing, I can stand or step into it. For me, I'm stepping with my left foot, I'm putting my left hand and my right arm kind of wide a little bit. I don't want them super close. I'm spreading these out so that as I step into it, I can get my foot through this gap here and step down on the other side, nice and quietly. We want to sound like ninjas while we're doing this move. That's level 1. Okay, now we're on to level 2 of the safety vault. Also, if you guys are enjoying this, I think I've got something that you might be interested in. I actually just launched my own beginner online parkour course called Hero Lab. It's got 50+ parkour tutorials just like this one, teaching you how to move like a superhero. Vaulting over obstacles, climbing walls like a ninja, jumping off of things, landing and doing a parkour roll, how to balance, and so much more. I made sure to go in there and organize everything in a step-by-step process from easy to hard so it's simple to follow. And they're taught outside in the real world, like at parks and playgrounds and plenty of places that you should be able to find and then learn at. And for the parents, don't worry, there's tons of information about safety in there because safety has been and always will be one of my biggest priorities. I could not do these moves when I started, but I practiced and learned over time and completely transformed my mind and body in the process. And now I want to help you do the same and unlock your inner superhero. So if you're ready to learn more, you can check out school.com/HeroLab or just click the link in the description below. And I hope to see you there. Now, back to the tutorial. Now we're on to level 2 of the safety vault. 2 main differences is now we're moving from a walk or a stand to a faster walk. And instead of just stepping up here from the ground, as we step, we're actually gonna jump at the same time. And I'm trying to land with my foot on this wall with my other foot already tucked up underneath me, ready to go through this gap. So if I walk into it, I'm just gonna take that one step, and instead of stepping off the ground, I'm gonna try to jump now. So I'm gonna step, jump, and I'm gonna put my foot, shoot my foot through that gap, and then step down on the other side. All right, now we are ready for level 3. This is where it starts to get really fun. All we're gonna do is now we're increasing the speed to a jog or a slow run, and we're putting it all together so it's nice and smooth. So I'm here, maybe 3 or 4 steps away from the bench. Without stutter stepping, I'm gonna take my steps, and I'm gonna do the safety vault nice and smoothly, and I'm gonna jog out the other side. All right, if you've got levels 1, 2, and 3, you have made it to the bonus level, where if you realize when you first start the safety vault, we're going hand first, then we're putting our foot, then we're going up and over. That's the first step. It goes hand, foot. as you get better at the move, you're actually gonna flip that around. So you're actually gonna run and you're gonna jump and you're gonna tap with your foot first and then your hand follows. I call this a jumping safety vault. That's gonna be the top version of the safety vault. Let's see what that looks like. So at this bonus level, the big difference is you're not stepping into the vault. This becomes more of a running jump, which means as I increase my speed, I'm actually jumping at the vault from further back. So I can jump from here, but I don't want to be doing this with my hand to do the safety vault. My hand's not strong enough to absorb that. I can use my leg because my leg is much stronger. So this is where your safety vault turns into this running, jumping safety vault. So I can be back here and I can take a long jump and safety vault over to the other side. That is the final level of the safety vault. All right, guys, that is the safety vault. When you take everything and you put it together, the smooth run up, the step vault, the safety vault through, and then running out on the other side, you are gonna be so set. Again, this is one of the most useful, functional, universal moves in parkour, so have fun with it. As always, train safe, have fun, stay super, and I'll see you in the next one.